Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam. The USPS strikes back at Workhorse. We have the actual motion to dismiss the case by the government, USPS, against Workhorse. We did an hour-long live stream earlier going through the motion. You can watch that if you have time. But in this video, I want to break down the motion in a quick 5 minutes or less way, giving you the most important information. Starting off with this, the defendant's motion to dismiss. Pursuant to Rules 12b(1) and 6 of the United States Court of Federal Claims, the United States respectfully requests that the court dismiss the complaint for failure to exhaust administrative remedies. Quick introduction. February 23, 2021, the United States Postal Service awarded the contract for the Next Generation Delivery Vehicles to Oshkosh Defense. An unsuccessful offerer for that same contract, the plaintiff, which is Workhorse, disagrees with the USPS's decision. Workhorse filed this action without fully exhausting the administrative remedies. The USPS's regulation states that judicial review is not available under these circumstances. This motion presents two related questions. Can the court dispense with the exhaustion requirement in the USPS's regulation? And if it can, should it do so here? The first question, which should begin and end with the Federal Circuit's binding decision, the court held that where a regulation requires exhaustion, a party's failure to exhaust administrative remedies precludes judicial review of its claim. Workhorse has indisputably failed to exhaust administrative remedies required by the USPS's regulation. As a result, the court must dismiss this case. The second question, to the extent it remains relevant after the court resolves the first, should likewise lead to dismissal. The Supreme Court has identified a limited set of circumstances in which trial courts may excuse a party's failure to exhaust some types of administrative remedies. But none of these circumstances are found here. To the contrary, requiring Workhorse to strictly comply with the USPS's exhaustion requirement would promote judicial efficiency and protect the USPS's unique authority over procurements. Even if the court has the discretion to excuse Workhorse's non-compliance, it would be imprudent to exercise that discretion in this case. The court should accordingly dismiss the complaint. Two questions presented to the court. Number one, and there's only two. Number one, whether the complaint must be dismissed because Workhorse failed to exhaust mandatory administrative remedies. Number two, alternately, if the administrative remedies at issue are prudential rather than mandatory, whether well-established exhaustion principles counsel in favor of dismissal. So, in simple terms, this comes down to whether Judge Summers decides to uphold the USPS's exhaustion requirements, that it was mandatory for Workhorse to follow the USPS's two-step administrative process, or that Workhorse exercise prudence when filing its complaint. The next important date to watch for is July 20th, which is Workhorse's deadline to file a response to the government's motion to dismiss the case. That's it. That's the most important thing to know about the motion to dismiss the case. Whether or not the court has jurisdiction, whether Workhorse followed the USPS's rules where it needed to exhaust a two-step process. I hope you found value in this quick breakdown of the motion to dismiss. If you could, smash that like button, share this video with all Workhorse investors, all the retail investors investing in Workhorse. This is important information to know. especially that date coming up, July 20th. That's the next time we should have some information in this case. And subscribe to join our family of investors. And as always, if you've watched till the end, you, my friend, are totally awesome. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.